In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step to removing an image background in Figma is to import your image. Start by opening Figma and navigating to the file where you want to work. Locate the image you want to edit and simply drag and drop it into your workspace or use the import function from the top menu. Once your image is in place, it's time to utilize a handy plugin. In Figma, look for the Plugins option in the top menu bar and click on it. Then, you'll open the Plugins menu and search for Remove BG in the search bar. This plugin does a fantastic job of removing backgrounds with minimal effort. Select the plugin from the results to get started. Now that you've found the plugin, click on the Run button to activate it. However, for the plugin to work, you'll need an API key. Don't worry, it's easy to obtain. Look for a link within the plugin that says Get API Key. Clicking this will take you to the website where you can sign up to get your API key. On the new website, which is remove.bg, look for the section labeled API and click on it. Here you will find the option to Get API Key. Click on that, and it will guide you through the process of obtaining your unique key. If you're navigating your way through, you may also want to click on New API Key to generate a new one if prompted. This step is crucial, as each key allows you to use the service for removing backgrounds. Next, you'll click on Create API Key. You can choose any name you like for your API key. It's all about helping you keep things organized. After naming your key, don't forget to click on the button that says Create. With your key generated, you'd want to have it readily available. Look for the copy icon next to your API key and click it. This will save the key to your clipboard, making it easier to use in the next step. Returning back to Figma, it's time to add your API key into the plugin. Look for a designated area within the plugin to paste the key you just copied. Make sure to do this correctly so the plugin can function effectively. Once your API key is in place, the next crucial step is to select the image you want the background removed from. Right-click on the image anywhere on the canvas, then navigate to the Plugins option from the drop-down menu. Select Manage Plugins, then find Remove BG and click on it to launch the plugin once again. Finally, with your image selected and the plugin activated, hit the Run button to start removing the background. The plugin will work its magic, and moments later, you should see a beautifully isolated image free from that distracting background. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to remove the background from an image in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.